Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Perfect Ninja. Let's begin. Perfect Ninja loved to do things perfectly. In fact, when he made a mistake, he would often get upset and sometimes give up. For example, if he was losing during a soccer game, he would stop trying. If the answers didn't come to him right away while doing homework, he would get frustrated and cry. If he messed up while he was painting, he would scream. Perfect Ninja had to be perfect under all circumstances. His perspective, there was no time or room for mistake, but that all changed during a soccer game. Perfect Ninja and his teammates had practice all season for the championship. He took extra time before the big day to perfect his techniques and strategies. But it was no match for the Kingpins that year. They were leading 2-1. Halftime, Gritty Ninja gave Perfect Ninja a compliment. Hey, good job. Hey, what are you talking about? We're losing. Yeah, but you didn't give up. You kept trying and changed strategies. It takes grit to keep competing. And I think you're doing awesome, said Gritty Ninja. You really think so? I know so. It's okay not to be perfect. No one is. Mistakes help us grow, encouraged Gritty Ninja. Thanks, bud. Ready to go get him? Yeah, let's do this. For the reminder for the game, Perfect Ninja played his heart out, not caring about making mistakes or failing. And do you know what? It worked. The ninjas came back and won it. After that game, the Perfect Ninja adopted a growth mindset. He understood that mistakes were a normal step of the process. As long as he was learning from them, he would succeed. Your best weapon against perfectionism is to accept that failure is part of the journey. As long as you learn and grow from your mistakes, you will succeed. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!